Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to share Instagram profile link on WhatsApp status. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that there are no misunderstandings. As we all know that Instagram does not provide a feature to copy the link from your Instagram profile. If you use the QR code feature, you can only send your profile page to several places but not include WhatsApp status. I have one secret trick that you can try to solve this problem. First, open your web browser application. Then type www.instagram.com/your username, then end with /. Then press enter on your keyboard. After that, copy your Instagram profile address. The next step is to close your web browser and then enter the WhatsApp application. On the WhatsApp home page, click on the status button. Then click on the pen icon to create a new WhatsApp story. Enter the Instagram profile link that you copied. Click on Send Status. Now you have successfully shared your Instagram profile on WhatsApp status. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions.